David Pecora contacted WCCO to detail his time on several COVID-19 missions across the country and the island of Curacao. He told us that weeks into that trip, as tensions against American workers grew, he was thrown in jail and beaten. It's a story that we verified over the phone with a person who claimed to be a government supervisor, provided to us by Pecora. But the CEO of the healthcare company that Pecora worked for later told us that Pecora was actually arrested for stealing drugs from Curacao Medical Center.
But the notion that he was put in a caged police van is just absolute nonsense. The notion that he was put into a cell in a yard and was made naked, and the notion that that he was then beaten for several days and given mouldy bread is pure fantasy.
Investigators in Curacao say they found the stolen drugs in Pecora's hotel room. They did not file charges in the case. Pecora told us that he stands by his story and denies stealing drugs. Bemidji Ambulance says he no longer works for them.